Trading futures on Etrade involves several steps and requires a specialized futures trading account. Here's a concise guide. Open a futures trading account. Log in. Access your Etrade account or create one at Etrade. Apply for futures trading. Navigate to the futures section and apply for a futures trading account. Complete the application and provide necessary financial information and trading experience. Fund your account. Deposit funds. Ensure your futures account is funded. Transfer funds into your account to meet margin requirements. Access the futures trading platform. Log in. Use the Etrade website or mobile app to access the trading platform. Navigate to futures. Go to the Trade tab and select Futures. Research and select futures contracts. Explore contracts. Use the platform's tools to research available futures contracts. Look at contract specifications, market conditions, and other relevant data. Place a trade. Choose a contract. Select the futures contract you want to trade. Enter order details. Specify the order type, quantity, and price. Review and submit. Double-check the details of your order and submit it. Monitor and manage positions. Track performance. Use Etrade's tools to monitor your futures positions and manage trades. Set stop loss or limit orders if needed. Close positions. Exit trade. To close a futures position, place a trade to sell the contract you initially traded.